What's up, guys? Sebastian again. Another quick video for you guys. So I just wanted to let you guys know exactly what happened this morning. I went to Manhattan Motor Cars and really not expecting much. Just so happens that Supercar Blondie was there and she was getting ready to shoot a video with the Centenario. Basically, I jumped in the car with them and shot a couple of clips of her driving around in the city. They went down to Brooklyn, down Manhattan Bridge. So I just got a couple of quick clips that I'm gonna throw together for you guys and enjoy it. Enjoy the couple clips. Make sure you subscribe. Summertime is coming. A lot of videos. The weather's gonna be beautiful. There's gonna be a lot of videos coming. See you guys later.
Were they trying to turn around and come back on the same bridge?
I'm not sure what the hell they're doing. Oh, he's got his helmet on here.